guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I went to IKEA the other day and I got this awesome shelf behind me, and I also wanted to show you a couple of little things that I got from IKEA because I love IKEA. You can find some awesome deals there, some awesome stuff for your home, and yeah, so the first thing that I wanted to show you guys, besides this big cabinet behind me, is this cute potted plant. I have this little plant put into this golden jar, and I think it is so freaking adorable. I'm obsessed with it. It's like, I love it. I absolutely love it. The next thing I wanted to show you is this big old cutting board. So this is real wood, so we're going to get some mineral oil to keep it looking nice and new. And we really liked this one because it has grooves all around the sides so that when you're cutting your meat, the juices just go right into the grooves on the board. That way you're not getting, you know, all that juice and stuff all over your counters. So the next thing I wanted to show you is this duvet cover. So we have a king size bed, and sometimes I get bored with looking at the same duvet cover. So we got this really cute print. It's like a tan with like cream. It's so freaking cute. And I also got this box right here from IKEA. This kind of like wicker box from IKEA, and that pink with gold flecks on it from IKEA. And I'm going to be putting my Perfectly Posh products up there. I already have one up there, but I need to go through my stack and add some more. So yeah, this was a pretty quick video, but that's all we got from IKEA. And yeah, now I am going to insert the clip of hubby and I putting this big old thing together. So let's go. So yeah, it only took us about half an hour to put this whole thing together, and it was actually a lot of fun. IKEA does not really give you like good instructions. There was like pictures and numbers and nothing was labeled, so it was kind of difficult, but that's what made it fun. So thank you for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos, let me know down below. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure that you check the little bell so that you know every single time that I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!